So on this short video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat no connection easily and fast in less than 50 seconds. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, click on the apps manager. When you click on the apps here on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So click on Snapchat and then click here on the storage option or the internal storage. Click on clear data. After you click on it, all these apps data will be deleted. This includes files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. Click on delete like this. Go back, click on this force stop, and this app may stop working properly if you stop it. So click on force stop again. Go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it for 6 seconds and disable it again. Now restart your phone, reopen Snapchat. Don't forget to like, subscribe.